Netherlands is a very densely populated country, but let me show you today one of its most beautiful spots on the countryside at National Park, the Utrechtse Heuvelrug. The Kaapse Bossen is a 425-hectare nature reserve in the Dutch province of Utrecht near the village Doorn. It is a rolling forest area full of natural beauty and cultural history. It's the 1st of May, which means it's the middle of spring here in the Netherlands. I love it when everything turns green. It must be such a relief for them. This forest here is probably one of my favorite spots just outside the city of Utrecht to unwind from work. Cheers! It's always nice to walk in a forest, especially if the weather is good. But what's most impressive here in this specific forest is a little bit further uphill. I love the smell of fresh air, the sound of chirping birds and the green scenery. It's a beautiful forest with a mixture of pine trees and deciduous trees. Would you like to organize a really unique event for colleagues, friends or family? You can go out in this forest with a ranger. I will put a link for you guys in the description below. Let's continue to the highlight of this walk. If you're really quiet, you can actually hear the sound of a black woodpecker. If you are lucky, you might even spot some deer or maybe some squirrel as well. If you are really lucky, you can even see here a pine marten. Are you up for a silly joke? Let me tell you one. You know, reception is pretty bad in this region. But the trees surrounding me, they found a way to go online. They just log in. Okay, bad joke. Let's move on. What I also really like about this forest is that there are many species of birds, mammals, plants and trees. And there is the highlight of this little hike, the Kaap watchtower. Should have a spectacular view, so let's check it out. This observation tower offers you a truly spectacular view over the surroundings. That is the reward after climbing the more than 100 steps of the Kaap watchtower. The Nature Association had this watchtower built on a 40 meters high hill. The wooden tower itself is about 25 meters high. Wijk bij Duurstede. You will even be able to see Wijk bij Duurstede, a town that I made another video about. It's not the best video, I'm still learning how to do this actually. But I love doing it, so that's why I'm doing it and why I'm here today. That doesn't mean that the town itself isn't interesting. It was once upon a time the most important city here in all of Northwestern Europe. So if you like it, it's on my channel as well, you can check it out. Somewhere over there you should be able to see the Pyramid of Austerlitz, which is another video that I made, one of my first. So check it out if you like. Right, I gotta leave this place. It was a beautiful day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and see you in the next one. Bye bye.